up, everybody? Welcome back to another freaking cold night on the channel. I got me, obviously, on the bike. I got my boy G-Funk racing on, or in his Scion. Lucky got his car. But we're heading to a little meet all the way in Athens tonight. A little college town. Hopefully be lit. But god dang, it's freaking cold. I got the heated gear out. You already see my hands are lighting up like freaking Iron Man.
Wake up, Daddy Sean.
Woo! Got the heated jacket on. It makes it, you know, it makes it bearable. Makes it bearable. Yeah, there he is. Gang, gang. Bro got the freaking. Sorry, buddy, I can't wheelie going this fast, but yeah, bro got himself a little Scion. Holy crap, those brake lights were so bright. What the frick is that? That's got to be a cop or something. I just saw those brake lights from like half a mile away. But yeah, we got his boy in the Scion TC or something. Well, one of those little cars. Pretty dope. So we're gonna be cruising to a little car meet. Hopefully my phone is zipped up. Yeah, we're chilling. Let's go, baby. Oh wait, I sound like Fastlane D. I can't say that. Should have put on a shiesty. My freaking face is cold. But you know, my body, like Jesus, bro. Look at those freaking brake lights. All right, my bad. Tweaking out over here, but yeah, it's bearable. Let's get a little flyby from the Scion. Gang, gang. Pretty cool little car. Reminds me of my first car, Monster Speed 3. Mine was a little faster, but you know, that one's cool. Oh, shoulder, car on the shoulder of the road. Look at that. Big old tin can exhaust. Put a Coke can in there. Freaking shoot that hell out. Wang ding ding doom. Make sure we're filming your. Uh-oh. Who got pulled over? Oh, the Beamer. No. Don't be cutting up out here in Oconee County. I got pulled over for much less. Oh my god. This is the one time I hope for a red light to get a break from the wind. How fast can I go? Let me not do that. I just saw somebody getting pulled over. Sheesh! Dang, bro, that little car gets down. I was trying to hit the limiter under the tunnel. Oh, we got a Veloster in front of him. Little tuner gang, or is it like a stock Veloster? Probably stock Veloster. No way, bro. Got his window open. In this cold weather. Oh yeah, that's how you know we're getting close to Athens. You start seeing all these freaking Jeeps. All them rich UGA kids, they love their little Jeeps. Some of them are cool, but most of them are, you know, pavement princesses, as the saying goes. Dad, I want this white Jeep right here to go along with my $300,000 four-year scholarship that you have to pay for. Oh, what the hell are we getting off right here? Why are we getting off right here, bruh? Going a different way? I guess. Let's get the verdict from the boy. Oh god, I should not have opened my visor that early.
I did not think the exit was going to be that close. I'm so used to driving down and doing a different exit.
Yeah, I did. Why are you taking this one?
Just telling me.
Alright.
Following it, so. I think so. That tunnel was fucking
Yeah, that's why I did that. This thing sounds pretty good too, I'm not gonna lie.
I kept the radiator and the catalytic converter. It's just the cat bag.
Sounds good.
Right?
For what it is.
I know, right?
You already know what's coming on this road. Okay, I'm glad we took this way because then we can get off the freaking highway. God dang. Go ahead, Brett, go ahead. Alright. I guess I'll lead now. Oh, put my jacket on high power mode. We got one of those gay trucks with the big old lights, squatted, rubber band tires. Oh, hell no. The Southern Special. Bro, swerving in that hoe. Yeah, this is the guy who has that little race car who's been in some of my videos. The little, the Legends car with the FZ09 motor in it. I think it's freaking sick, but he just blew his motor or something. He freaking lost compression on cylinder 1 or some crap, so unfortunately it is down, but you know, it's too cold. He wouldn't have taken it anyway, but yeah, that's how I know that boy. I hope he gets it fixed, because that thing is dope. Good summertime vehicle. It's like so small, bro. It's like literally shorter than the bike. Like over, not even me sitting on the bike, like shorter than my freaking handlebars. And you know, it got an FZ09 motor in it. Freaking sick. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? Come on now, Audi. With the Texas plate. Yeah, get that Texas bullcrap out of here. Look, he doing it again, bro. This dude does not know how to drive. Is it a woman? Yep. Alright, just kidding. But come on, you know I had to do it to him. I let it slide with one bad driving mistake, but come on, 2 in a row? What are we doing? Can't get too crazy out here in Athens. The cops are always lurking on weekends. It's Friday night, so you know they're out. He's paying me to ride with him, so I have to do wheelies. Just kidding. He's not paying me. Oh yeah, zoom in. Let me get over there too, actually. Our exit is on the right eventually. I don't know. I doubt there's gonna be any, maybe a few, if any, bikes out here tonight. So we shall see. Cause it is cold. But you know, maybe we'll see a few of the homies. Oh, I thought that one of those little camera things was a cop. Why do they put the lights on it? Like, don't you want your security cameras to be like a little bit hidden? What?
You wanna go in front?
I don't care. Sure, I'll go in the front. Yes, sir. Read that thing. Why can I hear it better from the front than the back? Pause. Chat. Oh, we're the only bike here. Yes, sir. I'm a celebrity. Oh. I guess I'll park with the boys since I'm the only one here. Only bike here. Whee! Bro, can I find neutral? What are we screaming about? Yo, what are we screaming about? Yeah. Bro, I was gonna park over there, but I'm the only one here, so I guess I'll just park with you. I don't want to just be like the one bike.
You park by yourself. Damn, you were close to hitting that, man. I thought you were going over it. I was like, I know you know it's a wheelie, but damn.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
I wish. Yeah, I'm working on it. We, I've hit it twice, and then I looped it.
You'll work on it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Chill. Hurry up, reset. Hurry! They're turning. Oh my God.
Gang. Ah! Why does everyone do that?
I had to copy.
See ya, bro. Dang, bro, the truck. Got some Saran kids out here. Heading out from the meet. It is so freaking cold, but I might actually just sit here and warm up for a second and let my heated gear kick in. If my tire's even warm. Huh? That's what I just said, yeah.
Don't listen to him, he's a bad influence.
Oh, what the hell? Yep, tire's too cold. That guy was right, and so was I. It's exactly what I said. Way too cold to even try to wheelie, bruh. Hell no. Yeah, a lot of times the cops, they sit on the side of these roads and these little store pull-offs and stuff, so I got to be careful. Haha, perfectly caught that green light. But yeah, pretty fun little meet. There's actually a few bikers out there. Like, I've seen less bikers in warmer temps, so that was surprising. I was glad to see the homies. Seen a few people I haven't seen in a minute, like Jermaine and Kevin and oh, what's the other guy's name? Oh, Clarence, yeah. Let's hear that 5-0, boy. Is that doing a t-shirt? Oh, hell no. It's 35 degrees out, my boy. You are crazy for that. Okay, we still got people out and about. I guess it's never too cold to be an alcoholic. What are you doing? They just reversed into the middle of the road. Ooh, Ram TRX. Yo, it's green? That's freaking tough. Yo, the bike sounds crazy on these walls. Hey, there's the TRX. Look at that thing, boy. Green. Hell yeah. Anyways, probably gonna be a chill ride home for your boy here. So hopefully y'all enjoyed the little vlog. Ain't nothing too much going on since it's cold out, and nothing that really happens when it's cold. So hopefully y'all enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.